Kentucky coach John Calipari wants to change the tournament schedule in his conference, the SEC. He wants the tournament at the beginning of the season, not at the end. And he doesn't want the winner to get an automatic bid to the NCAAs. He wants the regular season champion to get that bid. Calipari thinks the late season tournament is costing first-round losers their spot on the bubble. Will Bond, do you like Calipari's idea?
No. I mean, one of the many cool things about Cal is that he's an ideas guy. And you can sit around with him in the stands before a game or on the road on an off day. He comes to a lot of NBA games. And it's great because Cal has ideas. He's a creative guy. He's a thoughtful guy. He has suggestions, and it's really fun, and some stick and some don't. And I don't like this one particularly. I think this is aimed at helping the rest of the weak football-minded SEC. Even though they've had national champions, Florida, Billy Donovan, Cal, they've been able to do some stuff, but it's a football conference. And so there are times when people aren't paying attention, like, oh, when it goes against spring football. So I think Cal's doing this to boost his own conference. Kentucky doesn't need boosting. This is a nice thing he's done. It's sort of magnanimous. But no, I don't like it because nobody's paying attention in the preseason anyway.
See, I think it's a fun idea, and it sort of reminds me of what NASCAR does. They have their Super Bowl, the Daytona 500, in the first race of the season.
I think that's silly,
and then they have a whole bunch of other races. I'm intrigued by the idea. I don't know how the SEC commissioner feels about this because I don't know if anybody has told the SEC commissioner that they have basketball teams. I mean, I'm not sure that that's out there.
Probably not.
The interesting thing about this proposal is the team that would hurt the most is Kentucky because they are so freshman loaded that in November, they don't even know each other's names.
They're much better come March and April.
Yes.
This is magnanimous by Cal. Cal is throwing a life raft to all the other teams in the SEC that don't matter.
They stink. Other than West
Virginia
and Vanderbilt, other than them and Kentucky, in the last few years, who have you heard of? Come on. Come on. The bad
West Virginia's in the Big 12. You didn't say West Virginia, did you?
Oh, they're in the Big 12? They're not even in the SEC. So
we're not even paying attention to the Southeastern Conference basketball.
So that is Vanderbilt. That's it.
They're not paying attention either.